Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add another profile in YouTube Kids. So all you need to do is press on this and then enter your passcode. If you don't know how to create a passcode, I suggest that you watch the video that we have in our channel on how to create passcodes, and then you enter your passcode, submit. Now you head down, My Kids, add another profile, okay. And then you need to enter your email's password. After you enter your email password, will be prompted to enter your kid's first name, his age, and his birth month. Then next, then click on next, select, and then you can choose to turn on or turn off the search as you want. Next, and now the profile is created successfully. You can edit it, you can edit also the content settings, you can turn off the search bar, or you can delete this profile. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.